Welcome back to SAS Beast Pro. Today we're diving deep into 7 ElevenLabs tricks on PC that transform your audio techniques, that will take your recordings from ordinary to absolutely professional. Whether you're producing tutorials, narrations, dramatic readings, or fun explainer videos, these tricks will give your voiceovers that polished studio-level sound. We'll cover everything from managing your character balance to selecting the perfect voice. So by the end, your audio will feel smooth, natural, and ready for any platform. Let's level up your voiceovers together. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Check available character balance. Tracking your remaining character quota is one of the simplest yet most crucial steps for a smooth workflow. Losing track can interrupt your project mid-generation, causing unnecessary frustration and delays. Staying aware of your balance lets you plan larger scripts or longer projects without surprises. Steps. Open your desktop browser and log in to your ElevenLabs account. Desktop access ensures you can see every setting and feature in full detail. Click your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the dashboard to access your account settings and personal tools. Select subscription to view your plan details. Here you can see both your total monthly characters and how many you've used so far. With this information, you can plan longer scripts, schedule your projects, and make sure you never run out mid-production. Number 2. Adjust voice settings for clarity. Even a great script can sound flat if your voice settings aren't optimized. Adjusting clarity and stability ensures your voiceover feels natural, professional, and consistent. Think of it as moving from a basic home recording to a high-quality studio output. Steps. Log in on desktop and navigate to the Text-to-Speech tab, where all voice customization takes place. Pick a voice that complements your project's tone narration, tutorial, dramatic, fun, or conversational. Matching the right voice style to your content makes a huge difference. Open the Settings panel under the chosen voice to reveal advanced adjustment options. Adjust the stability slider. A lower stability adds lively variation and emotion, while higher stability produces smooth, calm, and predictable speech. Choose based on the script's mood. Select a modern model like 11 Multilingual V2 or V3 to access superior features, better pronunciation, and improved handling of multiple languages. Hit Generate to preview your audio. Listen carefully, then tweak the settings until the voice feels polished, expressive, and perfect for your project. Number 3. Optimize text with punctuation tags. Punctuation isn't just for grammar, it's a secret tool to guide your AI voice. Proper punctuation and audio tags control pauses, tone, and emphasis, helping your AI read your script like a professional actor would. Steps. Open the Text-to-Speech tab on your desktop for full access to the editor and all customization tools. Choose your preferred voice and, if available, enable the advanced 11 V3 model for the most expressive output. Paste or type your script into the input field, ensuring it flows naturally for spoken delivery. Insert punctuation marks and audio tags wherever you want dramatic pauses, excitement, or softer, nuanced delivery. For example, commas, ellipses, or exclamation tags can completely change the performance. Adjust the stability setting to allow the AI to dynamically respond to your punctuation cues. Generate the audio and review it carefully. Fine-tune until every pause, emphasis, and emotional nuance lands exactly how you want. Number 4. Use break tags for natural pauses. Break tags give your voiceovers breathing room, making them feel more human. Pauses enhance storytelling, prevent rushed delivery, and ensure the listener can fully absorb your message. Steps. Open the studio editing area in ElevenLabs, where you have precise control over timing and pacing. Position your cursor exactly where the voice should pause or breathe during narration. Insert, adjusting the timing to suit your tone. For example, 1.0s creates a dramatic pause, while 0.5s works for a quick breath or subtle shift. Experiment with timing to make your delivery feel natural and expressive. Number 5. Browse the shared voice library. The shared voice library is a goldmine of professional quality voices. Exploring this library opens up countless options for voices that suit any style, language, or audience. You can find voices with unique accents, tones, and emotional ranges, elevating your content instantly. Steps: log in and select Voices from the left-hand dashboard panel to access all available voice options. Click Explore to browse thousands of shared voices from creators and professionals around the world. Use filters for language, accent, age, or category to find voices that perfectly match your content's vibe. Preview each sample to check for quality, tone, and emotional delivery. This ensures your choice enhances, rather than distracts from, your message. Add the voice to My Voices using the plus button. Once saved, it's ready for any future project, saving you time and effort. Number 6. Download audio in MP3 format. MP3 is the most versatile format for voiceovers. Lightweight, editable, and compatible across all editing software and platforms. Downloading an MP3 ensures your audio is ready for immediate use in videos, podcasts, or presentations. Steps: generate your voiceover in the text-to-speech section, adjusting settings and styles until it sounds perfect. Scroll to the playback box at the bottom of the screen, where all generated audio files are clearly displayed. Click the download arrow next to your audio to save a clean MP3 to your downloads folder. This file is now ready for editing, mixing, or uploading to any platform. Number 7. Select different voice gender. Choosing the right vocal identity sets the tone of your content. Male, female, or neutral voices each bring a distinct personality and energy, transforming your project from generic to engaging and memorable. Steps: log in and go to Voices, then open the voice library to access all available options. Click Filters to refine your search results quickly and find exactly what you need. Choose male, female, or neutral, depending on your project's tone and audience. Add your selected voice to My Voices with the plus button to make it available for all future scripts. Return to text-to-speech, select the new voice from the drop-down menu, and instantly generate your audio in the perfect style. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into ElevenLabs tricks on PC that transform your audio, make sure to subscribe to SAS Beast Pro.